What is a sales funnel? How do you generate leads with a sales funnel? What funnel software should you use? How does a sales funnel convert leads into sales? And how can you use a sales funnel to increase sales and profits? Well, give me 5 minutes, and in this video, I'll answer some of the most common questions about a sales funnel. They're often asked by people who are starting or growing an online business. And as a thank you for watching this video, I'll put a link to my funnel's mind map below the video. And this will give you a one-page guide to some of the leading funnel systems out there. It's completely free. There's no sign up or email required. Now, for those of you who don't know me, I'm Tony. I'm the owner of OnlineResultsCoach.com, and I help people achieve their goals. I'm particularly focused on helping middle-aged and seniors like me to build successful online businesses that will fund their retirement. And I really aim to have no fluff or BS in my videos, just straightforward marketing and mindset strategies that you can implement immediately after watching any one of my videos. Now, I've invested years of my life and paid thousands of dollars to learn these strategies from some of the top marketing and the best business coaches on the planet. But you can have them for free just by watching my videos. So let's get started and answer some of your key questions about sales funnels. Now, the first question to answer is, what is a sales funnel and how does it work? So very simply, a sales funnel is a marketing concept, and it maps out a journey that a customer goes through when they're making any kind of purchase. Now, the model uses a funnel as an analogy because a large number of potential customers may begin at the top end of the sales process, but then only a fraction of these people actually end up making a purchase. So think of it like this, a sales funnel visualizes the journey that your potential customers go through on the way to making a purchase. From the initial stages, when someone learns about your business to the purchasing stage, different parts of the sales funnel will help in attracting and engaging and in converting those prospects into customers. So the funnel metaphor helps marketers focus efforts on guiding prospects through that journey as efficiently as possible. And another aspect is that a sales funnel helps us in understanding which stages in the sales funnel see the most attrition. And that allows marketers to adjust their strategies to improve conversion rates across the board. Because really the goal is to optimize each stage of the sales funnel. And that way businesses can turn more leads into loyal customers. Now, the second question often asked is, how do I generate leads with a sales funnel? So lead generation, that's the process of attracting and converting strangers and prospects into someone who has indicated interest in your company's product or your service. Now, it's the first step in the funnel where you're going to gather contacts through maybe lead magnets or content marketing or other strategies. And the aim is to nurture them through the funnel to convert at the end. Nurture them all the way through the funnel until they're ready to make a purchase, right? And that might not necessarily be straight away. So a strong lead generation strategy really involves understanding your target audience and creating tailored content or offers that resonates deeply with them. And by providing value up front, your business, it'll help you to build trust, and it'll make it easier to convert your leads into paying customers later in the funnel. Now, as regards to which software system to choose, as you'd expect, there's a myriad of choices. So I've reviewed for you 6 different options. And the reason I've chosen these options is, I've used them all, but more importantly, I guess they all have different strengths and weaknesses. And which one will be the right one for you really depends on what exactly you're looking to achieve, your budget, and what other software you already may have, right? So I'll run through the 6 very briefly. There's ClickFunnels. This really simplifies the whole funnel creation process, and it offers kind of an intuitive drag and drop builder and lots of pre-designed templates. So it makes it quite straightforward to set up a funnel that'll guide your customers through the process, the buying process. Now, a very similar system to ClickFunnels is Kartra. And this includes a whole bunch of comprehensive tools for building funnels, really emphasizing the integration of all parts of the marketing process, from email campaigns to landing pages, all within the one platform. And a system that I like as well, and it's growing in popularity, is called System.io. I like it because it's got a simple all-in-one approach to building funnels. So it's very suitable for people who are just starting out and really want a less complex system. Also looked at, if you're interested if you like building web pages and you want a more DIY approach, then Divi is a system to look at. It's a drag and drop funnel and website builder, which you use with WordPress. Really user-friendly visual builder, helps you to create easy pages. Very, very simple layout and design to use. I recommend it. And if you're perhaps more focused on the on email marketing as part of your funnel, then Active Campaign gives you a very sophisticated email marketing strategies combined with CRM. Will really help you to nurture your leads effectively. And finally, one other system that I've looked at, which I've used as well, is Groove. Now you can get Groove for free, so it's a potentially a good way to start out, and it has premium tools as well, so it can help you to build landing pages and funnels, and it's particularly good at conversion optimization to capture leads. Okay, so let's wrap up there. I hope you found it useful. And I will be creating more videos answering more questions about sales funnels because it's such a critical part of building a successful online business. And so hopefully I'll connect with you in one of those future videos. Now, as I promised, I've linked to my sales funnel mind map below this video. And that'll give you a nice one-page guide to some of the funnel software systems that I've talked about today. It's completely free. You can grab it instantly, no email or sign up required. So once again, thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll connect with you in my next video.